Let's just get this out of the way. You're not broke because you don't make enough. You're broke because you keep making the same financial mistakes over and over and calling them bad luck. No more sugarcoating. If you're tired of feeling stuck, frustrated, and low-key ashamed every time you open your bank app, then this is the wake-up call you didn't ask for, but desperately need. Let's fix your shit. Let's start with the lies. Lie number 1. I just need to make more money. No, you need to stop bleeding the money you already make. You earn $3,000 a month, spend $3,100, and wonder why you're drowning. It's not income, it's behavior. Lie number 2. I deserve this. Life's short. You know what else is short? Your paycheck. Deserving something doesn't mean you can afford it. Lie number 3. I'll figure it out later. No, you won't. If you don't care now, you'll really hate yourself at 45 when you're broke with bad knees. If you don't track your spending, you're not in control. If you carry debt and still eat out 4 times a week, you're sabotaging your future. If your emergency fund is $0 but you just bought a new iPhone, you've got your priorities backwards. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a discipline problem. And discipline isn't sexy. It's saying no to brunch. It's driving the same car for 10 years. It's skipping the weekend trip so future you can afford a home, not a roommate at 40. Brutal? Maybe. Necessary? Absolutely. All right, time to clean up. Step 1. Track every dollar. Use an app, a spreadsheet, a notebook, whatever. If you don't know where your money is going, you don't stand a chance. Step 2. Slash unnecessary expenses. Subscriptions you forgot? Gone. Impulse shopping. Delete the app. That $200 a month on food delivery? Make a sandwich. Step 3. Build a 3 to 6 month emergency fund. Before cryptocurrency. Before stocks. Before anything. Security first. Risk later. Step 4. Pay off bad debt fast. Credit card interest is legalized robbery. Focus every extra dollar on it. Minimum payments are a trap. Step 5. Start investing consistently, not when you feel ready. Now start small. $50 a month is better than zero. Time is your greatest asset, not timing the market. No one is coming to save you. Not your boss, not the government, not your future raise. It's up to you. To stop making excuses, to stop trying to look rich and actually become rich, to stop waiting for the perfect time and start with what you have. This isn't just about money. It's about freedom. It's about peace of mind, control over your time, and choices that actually serve you. Fix your finances. Fix your future. Subscribe for more no-fluff financial truth bombs.